You think that your baby's injury at birth was due to medical malpractice. What is one area that your attorney is going to take a look at really hard when they are analyzing your situation? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello guys, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today about the fetal heart strips and childbirth injury cases in the state of Maryland. Now, if you're watching this video, there's a good chance that your child has either suffered an injury at birth and you think that it may have been due to something that the hospital or the doctors or the nurses did or did not do. If you're here, then this video will help you get a better understanding if you decide to move forward with a medical malpractice case in Maryland of the critical issues that are involved. All right, now that I've said that, let's get back to the question of these, or the issue of these fetal heart strips. Why are these strips so important? Well, the fetal heart strips are important because what they can do is they can help determine whether your child was in distress during a vaginal delivery. See, the fetal heart strips can monitor how the child or how the baby's heart and how the baby is doing during the vaginal delivery process. And if the strips reveal, or if they strongly suggest that the child was in distress, then doctors have to take certain actions related to this. And normally, if it's something that they cannot get situated, or if they can't help the child, if they see that the child is struggling for too long and the child's fetal reserves are depleted, then the doctors and nurses have to move on to what we call an emergency C-section. But what can happen sometimes is that for whatever reason, the doctors and the nurses, they miss it. They don't see that the child is in distress, even though the strips in the monitor is clearly showing that the child's either heart rate is really too high for an extended period of time, or that the child's heartbeat is too low for an extended period of time. And when that is missed, if the doctors miss it, then what can happen is the child can be deprived of oxygen. And when that happens, then now we're looking at an injury to your child's brain, more than likely, or to other areas of the body. And these types of injuries can be devastating for a child. Parents can sometimes see issues after birth where the child may have seizures, or the child may be blue in color, or the child may need to be rushed to the NICU. If any of these things are going on, a lot of times these are signs for parents that, you know what, something may not have went right. Maybe I should have had an emergency C-section. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this? Because like I said when I started this video, if you're watching this, you probably have questions about your child's injury. You probably are wondering, is there anyone that you can talk to about your situation, or someone who would listen to your story? If you have more questions about what's going on, this is what I invite you to do. And remember guys, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And that is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you prefer to send me an email, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland childbirth injury and medical malpractice questions like yours all the time. And I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.